Have you ever seen those bold promises on your phone? Get a flat tummy in 30 days, or build strong arms in a month. It's tempting, right? You picture yourself transformed in just a few weeks, motivated by a clear finish line. So, you dive in. Day 1 is tough, but you push through. By the end of week 1, maybe you see a little change. The energy is contagious. You post your progress, feel like a fitness hero, and love the simple daily plan. But then, life happens. Work gets busy, or family needs you. You miss a day, then another. Guilt creeps in and the excitement fades. The plan that felt easy now seems impossible. You start thinking, I've already failed, so why continue? Even for those who finish, there's a new problem. What happens on day 31? The structure disappears, old habits return, and workouts stop. Within weeks, you feel like you're back at square one. It's like building a sandcastle at the shore. Amazing for a moment, but gone when the tide comes in. The truth? Quick fixes rarely last. But don't worry, there's a better way. Let's explore how to make fitness stick, not just for a month, but for life. We'll look at why these challenges are so appealing, and what really works for lasting change. Ready to break the cycle? Let's get started. Because real transformation isn't about a single month, it's about building habits that last. Let's see how. Here's what you need to know. I'm not here to bash 30-day challenges. They can be a great way to kickstart your fitness or break out of a rut. If you love them and they work for you, that's fantastic. But let's talk honestly about what works for the long haul. Real fitness is about feeling good for months and years, not just 30 days. It's about building a lifestyle you enjoy, not a punishment. We'll compare the quick sprint of a challenge to the steady journey of a routine. Both can get you moving, but only one keeps you going. Remember, your body is unique. Always check with a professional if you have health concerns. Let's dive in and find a path that makes you happy, healthy, and strong for life. Consistency beats perfection, every time. So, what's a 30-day challenge? It's a set plan, like 100 squats a day or a daily workout video, for 1 month. The appeal, simplicity, and a clear finish line. It's motivating, especially if you're overwhelmed by fitness options. The community aspect is powerful, sharing progress, cheering each other on. But here's the catch. Most challenges are intense, pushing you hard every day. This can lead to burnout or injury, especially if you're new. And when the challenge ends, there's rarely a plan for what's next. Without guidance, it's easy to slip back into old habits. Challenges teach you to follow a plan, but not always how to build a lasting habit. That's where routines come in. Now, let's talk about the workout routine, the real secret to lasting fitness. A routine is a regular plan you follow week after week, not just for a month. It could be a walk 3 times a week, or a short stretch session on busy days. The magic? Consistency. At first it takes effort, but soon it becomes automatic, like brushing your teeth. You're building a habit, not chasing a quick fix. Routines are flexible. You can adjust them to your fitness level and schedule. Start gentle, progress slowly, and include rest days for recovery. Progress may seem slow, but it's real and sustainable. Think of it like planting a tree. Slow growth, deep roots, lasting strength. Unlike a firework, a routine doesn't fade. It grows stronger over time. You're not just changing your body for a month, but for life. This is how real transformation happens. Let's see how routines compare to quick fixes. Ready? Let's compare. 30-day challenges promise fast results. Sometimes they deliver, but often the changes are temporary. Extreme effort isn't sustainable, and old habits return once the challenge ends. Routines, on the other hand, build slow, steady progress. You might not see dramatic changes each week, but over months, the transformation is real. Because you built it gradually, it sticks. Mentally, challenges can be a roller coaster. Highs of motivation, lows of guilt if you miss a day. This all-or-nothing mindset is stressful and can hurt your relationship with exercise. Routines are kinder. Miss a day? No problem. You just pick up where you left off. Consistency, not perfection, is the goal. This builds a positive, healthy relationship with fitness. Exercise becomes self-care, not a test you can fail. The real win? A routine that fits your life and makes you feel good. That's how you stay active for life. Let's look at why most challenges don't stick. Here's what you need to know. Why do so many 30-day challenges fail to create lasting change? First, they're often too intense, pushing you to your limit every day. For most people, that's unsustainable and can lead to injury or burnout. Many challenges skip rest days, but recovery is when your body gets stronger. Without rest, you risk overtraining and losing motivation. The all-or-nothing mindset is another problem. Miss a day and it feels like failure. Life is unpredictable. A good plan needs flexibility. The biggest flaw? No plan for day 31. When the challenge ends, you're left without direction, and old habits return. Challenges give you a fish for a month, but routines teach you how to fish for life. That's why results from challenges often fade. Let's see the power of a simple routine. The real superpower in fitness isn't intensity, it's consistency. Small, regular actions add up to big, lasting change. Forget being a superhero for 30 days. Be consistent every week. Your routine doesn't need to be extreme. A daily walk, a few yoga sessions, or dancing to your favorite songs all count. The best workout is the one you enjoy and actually do. Small wins build confidence. Achieve a little, then a little more. This cycle of success keeps you motivated. Start small, build momentum, and watch your confidence soar. A gentle approach is healthier for your body and mind. Listen to your body, adjust as needed, and always include rest. Mix cardio, strength, and flexibility for a balanced routine. This is how you build a body that's fit, healthy, and resilient. Let's see how challenges and routines can work together. You don't have to choose between challenges and routines, you can use both. Make a simple, sustainable routine your foundation. This is your steady commitment, your weekly walks, yoga, or gym sessions. Once your routine is solid, sprinkle in short challenges for fun and motivation. Use challenges as a boost, not a replacement. When the challenge ends, return to your routine. No confusion, no lost progress. This approach gives you structure, excitement, and long-term results. Try a new skill or push yourself for a week, then settle back into your routine. It's a smart, balanced, and fun way to stay fit for life. Always listen to your body and get professional advice if you try something new.